Hey everybody, so welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So I wanted to share with you guys this bag that I found at Aldi, of all places, Aldi, right guys? So if you've been following our YouTube channel for a while, you know that I just changed jobs on February the 1st and I have been in much need of a new work bag. I have been using Jackson's school bag, and this is his school bag. It is a camo colored orange bright bag. It has the straps that will let me put it on my back, which is helpful when I'm trying to carry lots of things. However, this is not the one mom Shakema girly bag that I would love to carry. So I have been in search of a bag, posted about it. I received a gift card to Target, but I have not been able to get over to Target just yet to get a bag because I don't live close to Target and I'm never usually on the side of town where Target is. And in the midst of all of that, which I probably could have gotten there, my mom has been sick. So I leave here Friday nights after work. I go stay with her until Sunday mornings, and then I come back here and I do my week all over again. Just happened to be in the grocery store in Aldi's with my kids today. I was looking for a little small canvas tote bag that they had in their circular because I'm going on a trip, and I thought, oh, this would make a good bag to carry some of my reading materials, some of my reading books in. As it would have it, I looked at those bags and I wasn't exactly impressed. I mean, they were okay. But I looked below them and found this bag. This is from the Serra brand. It has straps. They seem to be pretty durable for the type of bag. It's one of those, it's kind of like the plasticky, it's not canvas. So if it were to rain, which I've gotten rained on several times before, the water would roll off. And then on it, it has what is considered a change purse. But I will not be using this as a change purse. I will show you what I'll be doing with this in just a little while. So I thought I would share with you what the inside of the bag looked like. This was $9.99. So for just a few dollars, I was absolutely excited to buy it, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to put it together for my work bag until I'm able to get to Target to get an actual work bag. So the little wallet or change purse is attached to the strap. However, you can take it off and use it in your purse. You can throw it in the bag. Actually, I could throw it inside of this bag so that nobody would think that it was a change purse. I could just simply open the bag and throw it inside, and then it would be for safekeeping that way. I wouldn't be able to close the bag all the way, but that would be fine as well. So let me show you the inside of the bag. This just has a piece of cardboard in it, which I'm going to remove. It does have one of these board bottoms, so that would actually help it to stand. And then once it's standing, it looks like this. But on the inside of the bag, if you can see on the inside, in the back here, it has a pocket. And then it also has another pocket, and then a place for you to either put pens. You can put a couple pens here, some markers, highlighters, has a little keychain. And then on the other side, what would be the front side, there is another pocket. So I just thought all of that storage space on the inside for this bag, which is one of those that I can just use temporarily, and then when I get my permanent work bag, I can actually use this as a travel bag since I've been going back and forth, or the kids can use it as a travel bag, but we would find use for this. So I wanted to share with you that I'm going to pack all of my things in this bag and let you know what it looks like. And so there we have it, friends, my new temporary work bag. It won't last forever, but it will last for now. So in here, instead of keeping change, I put my charger for my iPad, and then I also have a little small phone charger, one just get from Walmart, and I'll throw that in. And I also have a little bit of hand cream. Just keep that in there. And then inside of the bag, I have all of my essentials, things that I consider essential for my work day. So I have my computer. I went to a test training today, so I have a training manual in here. I have my iPad, which I won't always have with me, my calendar. I have a couple of notebooks that I use for notes. I've got my colored pens. I have all of my highlighters and markers in this bag, which color coordinates with the pink, and my charger for my computer. So for right now, until I get my official work bag, and I'm actually going to throw in a pair of little scissors because I might need those. And then I also have business cards with my job title here that I just threw in. I'm actually going to put these in a Ziploc bag so they don't get discolored from not being in a case. I think I do have a case somewhere. I'm going to look for it. But anywho, this is my work bag. It is still a little heavy. I may lighten the load just a bit by pulling something out. Some days it'll be heavier than others, some days lighter than others. But for right now, this is going to work. This is my $9.99 bag from Aldi, and I am happy about it. So thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. If you like this video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.